Hey friends, hey, welcome back. I'm so happy you're here. Today I am showing you guys how I make planner stickers, and it's really easy. Before we get started, I want to give a special thanks to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. If you have a Cricut machine and have not yet tried your hand at making stickers, this is by far one of the easiest projects you can do. And also, if you're looking for some side income, this is also a way, like a really easy way to earn some income on a side hustle. I am already diving into planning for next year, so I went and picked up a new planner, and this planner starts in July and then it goes through 2024. So this is perfect for me. So I want to create some stickers so I can just start organizing things. And just so you know, I picked this up from Target. It is just a plain like lilac color planner, and I'm realizing that everything that I get is like this lilac color, and I'm guessing it's one of my favorite colors because even my phone is like lilac. What we're gonna start with, I am gonna be using my Cricut Explorer 3, and then you're gonna need some sticker paper. These were like practice stickers when I first tried my hand at making stickers, and I didn't know how to get the machine to like cut, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it so you don't have to be stuck in a rut like I was stuck in a rut. So I actually drew the stickers that I just showed you. I drew those on my iPad using Procreate, but today's stickers I'm gonna use nothing but the Cricut design space. Just so you know that it is doable. You don't have to be an artist. You don't have to know how to draw or anything. It's just super simple. I'm just gonna create some basic stickers. Now, your stickers may not look like mine. I am an influencer, a business owner. Some of the stickers that I'm going to be creating today is I need like Instagram, like a posting day sticker. I need like a sticker for when I have meetings or when I have phone calls, stickers for due dates and deadlines. Look, I need a lot of stickers, but I'm not going to overwhelm you today. We're going to keep it simple, okay? Let's get to it. Let me share my screen with you. I'm gonna start with the easy one, and that's like the birthday cake one. Create a new canvas, and then we're gonna go into images, and I am going to search just basic birthday. And there are lots of options, but I am going to select the free filter and just kind of scroll through there, see what we're working with. I'm gonna go with like the basic tiered cake. I'm gonna click add to canvas. Go with the basic tiered cake. What I like to do is go into the planner and measure out the size of the squares in the planner so that the sticker is like the perfect size. The squares in my planner are about 2 inches wide, so I'm going to make sure I resize my sticker. I don't want the sticker to take over the whole square, just in case there's, you know, other stuff that I need to do. So I am going to offset because I don't want that to be cut exactly around the black. I want it to be like a border there. So I'm gonna go ahead and click offset and add a border. Let me see, I think that's good. Not too much of a border. I think that's perfect. Let's change the operation because right now it's just set to basic cut. We want to make it a print then cut. This is also where you can change like the color of the image, but I'm just going to do plain black. I've realized that when I have too many colors in my planner, sometimes it just, my brain doesn't like it sometimes. I feel like I get distracted. So lately I find that when I keep things black and white, I feel like it's a little bit more more organized. There's something with my brain. I'm just learning how I am more productive. So if you find that you want to do a color be my guest. And then now I'm gonna do like 20 of these. I'll do like 30 birthday cakes. Okay, so I just copied and pasted. And then I'm gonna highlight everything, and I'm going to click on align, and I'm just gonna align it. Go to align. I'm gonna align everything to the left. So we've got our birthday cake. We're gonna go in with another image, and I still have free selected on the filter. And I think the next thing I need to do is like an email. Typing an email. There's no results for that. Let me see. Mail. This is fine. It's just a mail letter icon. So, okay, I am resizing that. I'm gonna change it from a basic cut to a print then cut. This is very easy, and again, if you like, you can change the color, but me personally, I am keeping mine black and white. Now I'm going to do my offset, and your offset is the distance that the Cricut will cut. So it's like the cushioning, so it's not gonna cut directly along the picture. Now I'm just gonna do a basic text sticker, writing out the word, and then I'm clicking on font so that I can change the font. You can buy fonts off of the Cricut, but I'm just gonna use the system font. Okay, I'm gonna resize that. Now I'm gonna add post at the bottom of it. I can really sit here and play with the sizing of the text and different fonts all day long, but I'm gonna spare you. So once I figured out how I want it to look, I go ahead and highlight that, offset it, add that cushioning around it, and then apply it. Change that color to white because we want the background to be white. And then I go in and click flatten. And again, flatten can be found toward the bottom of the page. After you've copied and pasted the amount of stickers that you want, you're gonna click make it. The system is gonna sort the project and let you know how many sheets of paper it's gonna take. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my sticker paper. I am using matte, so I have 2 sheets of sticker paper that I'm going to be putting into the printer. This is the side that needs to be printed on, so with my printer, pretty sides face down, so pretty sides, aka sides that will have the design or the print on it. Place them in there. So I'm going to send it to my printer. I'm going to remove the bleed. If you don't know what that is, the bleed extends ink slightly beyond the border of the image to eliminate the white margin once the image is cut out. I'm just gonna turn that off, and we are gonna go ahead and print. So for material, I am going to do the printable sticker paper in white. I'm going to keep the pressure on default. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and load my mat. Remove the film. See, it is loaded neatly on the mat, nice and even. Now we're gonna load it into our machine. And it's ready to go, so I'm going to press start. And that's it. I just repeat the process and make as many stickers as I'd like. You can get creative. You can do whatever it is you want. The possibilities really are endless, and you'll have so many stickers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new. Let me know what stickers you're going to be making, and if you have any requests for future videos, let me know if you guys want to see more Cricut videos, because I will be happy to do them. Until next time, I wish you nothing but peace and love. Bye.